Hey everyone, welcome back to Launch Space. In today's video, we are diving into the world of grammar. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to write simple, compound, and complex sentences. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at recognizing and creating all three types of sentence. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about simple sentences. A simple sentence has just one independent clause. That means it is complete through with a subject and predicate in short, sweet, and to the point. Simple sentence is equal to subject is equal to simple sentence is equal to subject plus predicate. Here are few examples. The dog barked. She loves ice cream. And I went to the park. See how each sentence has one subject and one verb. That's simple. That's a simple sentence for you. Is it right? Now let's level up to compound sentences. A compound sentence combines two independent clauses using a coordinating conjunction. Think of it as two simple sentences joined together. Independent clause plus coordinating conjunction plus independent clause. The coordinating conjunctions are for and nor but or an et. An et. So let me give you some examples. The dog barked and the cat ran away. The dog barked and the cat ran away. She loves ice cream but she is allergic to dairy. I went to the park so I felt refreshed. Notice how each part of the sentence could stand alone as a compound thought. That is the magic of compound sentences. Finally, let's talk about complex sentences. A complex sentences combine an independent clause with one or more dependent clauses. Dependent clauses can stand alone. They need an independent clause to make sense. Dependent clause often start with subordinating conjunction like because, although, since, when, and if. Here are some examples. Because the dog barked, the baby woke up. I stayed inside since it was raining. Although she loves ice cream, she avoids eating it. See how the dependent clause gives extra information but can't stand alone. That's what makes it complex. Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. I shall give you a subject and a predicate, and you can turn them into simple, compound, and complex sentences. Ready? Here we go. Subject, the student. Predicate, finished the homework. A simple sentence could be the student finished the homework. For compound sentence, the student finished the homework and the teacher praised the effort. Finally, a complex sentence might be the student finished the homework because the deadline was near. Great job. Practice creating your own sentence using this formula. You will master this sentence type in no time. That's it for today grammar lesson. I hope this video helps you feel more confident about writing simple, compound and complex sentences. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on writing, grammar and communication. See you in the next video. Bye.